Okay, I guess I am live. Hi everyone, this is George Shamon. Whether you're on this live stream or you can watch it later, I want to thank you. This is part 4
Okay, I guess I am live.
of a
Hi everyone,
series.
this is
Just turn off my
George
phone.
Shamo.
This is part 4 of a series of videos I've been making to show you how I am building my website using a website builder without using any code. And this is very helpful for someone who's trying to build a website and not very technical, and you don't want to use coding or programming languages. So let's get started. First, I want to log into my web hosting, which is Hostinger. I'm using Hostinger, and I already logged in. So this is the screen here, and I showed you this in the last 3 videos. So please make sure you watch all the videos from part 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth one now. I'm gonna be making more videos in this series, so watch them in sequence, and you'll get the most benefit out of them. And I'm gonna add them in a playlist. So let's get started. So this part 4 will be about how to add, remove, or change a video or embedded video in your web page on a website. So sometimes you visit a website and you see a video on a page, and you can play the video. Sometimes it's on YouTube, but it's embedded in a web page, and sometimes it's on your web hosting, sometimes in other services. But you'll see it and you can play it on your web page. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in the website builder in Hostinger. So I'm logged in, and you always have the preview mode and the editor mode. Whenever you want to make any changes, you have to go to the editor mode. So going back, this is the arrow here, going back to the editor mode, and I am now in the editor mode. How do I know? When I hover over the page, you'll see the sections being highlighted. You see the borders here, and the focus is changing from one to another. It depends what you want to do. And last time I went through this menu. I'm not gonna go over it now. So this video is only how to change and add or remove a video. That's it. I'm not gonna go over other stuff because I already went over the basics overview of the menu. So if you missed the first 3 parts, go watch them, and this way you'll understand them, and this one will make more sense. So let's say I'm gonna go to my about page, and this is the about page here. This is my picture here, and this is another picture. Let's say I wanna change this picture and add a video instead, or I can leave it. I can add a video to a separate section. I don't have to touch anything. So let's say I want to add another section, and by clicking here, add section, and what's nice, it's gonna help me with the type of element I have to use. And it says add a new section, and it looks like if you want to add a video, you need a section for it. I didn't know that until I added actually you can add it as an element in a section, but this one, there must be 2 ways to add a video to the web page here. This is the first way, add a new section, and you can choose the video. It says video here. You can choose the video. This is the first method, and I'm gonna try it now. So hit video, and it's gonna give you different settings of I guess this is why it has the video in the section here. So basically this whole section is devoted for videos, and you can add videos in different or structure, maybe like 3, 2, 1, whatever. And the other way is to add it as an element, as one video in a section. But this is different now. You're able to add any of those sections, and like this one is one. So basically they're giving you a lot of plans here, like not plans, like the way you organize elements. Like this is one video, and this is two videos here. This is three in a vertical direction. This one is horizontal. So basically, they give you a lot of choices to add more than one video if you added this. So let's say I want to add one video, which is this one here. So I click on it, and then all you see, it added the video here to the section. This is the section I just added. And now what's going to happen, this video is a default on this website builder, and obviously you want to change it to your own videos, whether you have a YouTube channel or another video that you want to upload. I think you can upload it to the website builder too. But you know, to start making some changes, you can click on this section where the video is. So I clicked on this one, and then it says, it gave you this top menu here. It says edit video. So you move over. This one is duplicate. I'm not going to use it now. This one is hide, show. I'm not going to use it. This one is delete. And if you click on this one, it says more. You can cut, copy, duplicate, etc. You might want to try them. I'm not going to go on every one now and spend a lot of time and waste your time that is not needed. I'll just give you the basics, and you'll figure out the rest. So you click on this one and you go up and hit edit video. Once you hit edit video, you kind of get this video setting screen here, and it says video link, and you just add the video link here. So if you have a YouTube channel like myself, I have a YouTube channel, you can embed the link here, and it's gonna show you the video here, and then you'll add the you have options here. It says autoplay. If you want the video to play once you load the web page, you just have to switch this one to this device here, and now the video, once the web page loads, the video starts playing without hitting the play button. But we're not gonna do it right now. Let's keep it off. And then it says loop. Loop is off, loop is on. Loop, it means the video keep playing. Let's say you have 1 minute video, and just like the shorts on YouTube and the reels on Instagram, I think they keep playing. So that's what's called, that's what looping is. And then you have I wouldn't use loop. You know, I don't want to keep the video looping because somebody may not like it if they're watching it. And then it says show video controls here. You can turn it off and on. It means you'll have the options like to play it, stop it, this and that. So if you see, you have all kind of options you can use, and they're very easy. Anybody can do that. This is why this website editor is great for somebody who is starting new and want to build their first website, or for a customer, and you don't want to use code like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And even if you want to use code, because now I'm learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I still cannot. It takes me forever to do something like this. You know, I haven't tried it yet, but it takes a lot to build a website, even the simple one, because there's a lot of variation, a lot of factors you have embed to use. So let's say now I'm gonna show you how to add my own video. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go to my channel on YouTube, and let me show you. So so this is my YouTube channel, and what you do, let's say I want to embed this one here, website setup, no code, part 1. So let me click on this playlist, and this is part 1. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the link. So what I do, it says share here. You click on share, and if you see, this is the link for this YouTube video. So I'll just copy it. If you click on copy, that's the link is copied to the clipboard now. And all what I have to do now is come to my website builder, and embed this link here instead. It says video link instead of this one, the default one. So I just delete it and paste mine. And once I paste mine, if you see, it immediately appeared here. And once I guess it's gonna get saved, you know. So once I close this one, I just X out of the video setting. And you have another one, it says animation. I'm not gonna go into this, but I didn't try it yet. But you can figure it out. You can try it on your own, you know. So general, if you go back to general, just I want to X out of this, and let's see what's gonna happen now. Okay, so that's it. The video is embedded now, but it's still in the editor mode. So I want to do what I want to do. Whenever you want to see how the page will look like, you have to go to the preview mode, and you go up here to the right side. It says preview, and it's already saved now. This is auto save is on. It means every time you make a change, it's gonna get saved without me hitting the save button. And you hit the preview here, and this is the page. And if you go down, this is the video, and I'm not sure why it says unavailable. Let me refresh. Yeah, okay, so I had to refresh. It's right here. So once I refreshed, it became available, and this is, it says how to set up your website using a website builder part 1, and it says here watch on YouTube, and it says here it has the control here, you can play it. So if I hit play now, it's gonna start playing on my website. So basically I embedded the my YouTube video on my website, and people can play it while they're on my website, but it's on YouTube. This way you don't have to upload it to your own web hosting like here. So if you click it now, and it starts playing now, and in this video I'm gonna go over, so, and you can still share it with others too, you know. So let me stop it. So this is how you add a YouTube video to the to your website using the website builder. Now if you have other web hosting companies like Vimeo, I think it's called, or other websites, or if you have your own web hosting, that like this one, I can upload this video. If it was on my computer, I can upload it to my web hosting. But what's gonna happen if your web hosting, like Hostinger, hosts your video? It's gonna consume a lot of bandwidth when somebody is watching a video on your, and it might affect the performance or your rate, or depending on what kind of hosting account you have, because nobody is gonna allow you to play videos, because they consume a lot of bandwidth. So that you can play it for some time, but then at one point, you know, it's gonna be it might be a problem for you, you know. But the best way is to embed it like I did now from YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, and even if you don't have one, just create one just to host the your own videos. So again, let me go back to the okay, so going back to the editor. Okay, so now let's say I wanna remove it. I didn't like it, or I wanna change it. I just click on it. You click on it, and again you go up to the edit video, and you can delete it. So let's say I wanna delete it, or let's say I wanna change it. Let me see, edit video. So if I want to change it, I can change the link again. So let me go and try to upload another one. Let's say I want to upload part 2 of the series. So I go here, and this is part 2. Convenient. Let me stop it, and the part 2. So I'm gonna get the link now. Share, copy, and I'm gonna go down. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change the link here. It says video link. Once I change it, it's gonna change the video to part 2 of the series. So I don't know if I copied the wrong, let's just see. Part 2, okay, share. All right. Copy. Let's see now, oops. Okay. Okay, it says the URL is not valid, even though I just copied it. Okay, maybe I don't need the, oh, I don't know why it says live here. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta work on this. I don't know why it did this. So, but you get the idea that how you can, because I did the first one, so I don't know why the link is not working now. So, and if you want to delete it, like I said, you click on it and you can delete it. And if you want to change it, you change the link. But I don't know why it's not working now. So let's say I want to delete it. I just hit on delete and the video is gone. And the section too, because I added the section with the video. And also there's another way to add a video if you want. Like if you go to the element here, add element. Let's say you don't need the different design like 2 or 3 or more videos. You only need one video that you want to add to your existing section. You're not adding a section, because in a previous case we added a section. So let's say I'm gonna add one video. So I hit the add element. Let's say I want to add it here in this area. So add element, and once I add element, you get this this pane here, and this is the video. So I just left click on it. I went this over this yesterday in part 3, how to add an element and remove it. So left click and move this box where it says video to this area here and release it. And release it. It did the same thing, and you can move this around on your in your section. And once you have it, you can get the same control like before. So let's say edit video, and again you can change the link here, and the video will update. So and if you want to remove it, same thing, you remove. So this way, adding element is another way of adding a video, but you don't have a lot of choices like the case before where we added a section and we selected video, and then it gave you all kind of combination videos like 3 or 2 or 1 and in a vertical and horizontal direction. This one is easier and simple and faster if you want to add it to an existing section. So that's it for this video. That was part 4 of a series of videos where I explain how I'm building my own website without using any codes. And this is intended to beginners or new users who are not very technical and are not programmers, and they want to build their own website. This will be for you. And make sure you watch the whole series, part 1, 2, 3, 4, and the subsequent video that I'm gonna be making in the near future. And if you have any questions, please submit it in a comment and let me know, and I can answer you. Again, this is George Shamoun, and I want to thank you for attending, whether you're on the live stream or in the future. Thank you.